Welcome, in front of me is an EMPORIA Smart 3 Mini, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So to get started, you do want to pop off the cover, which I already did take off. So normally I do have a little pull tab or pull section where you can just start prying it off, as you can see right here in the bottom right corner. And once you take it off, let me just quickly lock it. Once you take it off, you will have space for a SIM card and SD card. Now in terms of the SIM card, it is not the smallest one, it needs to be like the size between. So if I get the other ones, so this is the biggest one, the original, the OG, and then this is the smallest one, so you can get a comparison which one it is. So anyway, once you have it, pop it in here, simply slide it in, and same as the SD card, just kind of place it and push it in, and there we go, that's all it takes. And now once we flip it over, as you can see, the SIM card is already working based on the fact that it's telling us to put a SIM pin in. So just gonna confirm with that. And the SD card is working as well, which you can see based on the tiny little icon right here. And if I go into notification, you can see it right here. Whoops. See it right here to set up the SD card. So as you can see, both of them are working just fine, and that is how you would insert it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.